Good morning, it's Thursday, October the 21st, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases, along with the halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them, and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, I got two great press releases for you this morning, both out of the Canadian side, both out of the resource sector. I've got nothing to report on out of the U.S. side, and I've got one halt to report on in the second segment of our show. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Grade Resources Corporation. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol GYD. We've got a preliminary economic assessment coming out of the company for their wholly owned La India Gold project, which is located in Sonora State, Mexico. We've got highlights which include a 51% internal rate of return, very high. It's a $187 million net present value. They're working on a pre-tax 5% discount rate, and they're estimating that it's a 9-year mine life and nearly 850,000 ounces of gold produced. So obviously very timely given that gold is up and above $1,300 per ounce. We've got some more highlights, more information coming out of this. They anticipate average annual production to be approximately 92,000 ounces over a 9-year mine life. And the total cash cost of gold, they're looking at $507 per ounce of gold. Relatively low given the fact that, again, gold is trading $1,300 per ounce or $1,300 plus per ounce. Their cost is $500 per ounce, so you're looking at least $800 in profit per ounce. We've got pre-production capital cost estimated at approximately $72 million, plus an additional $32 million of sustaining capital over the life of the mine. So you're looking at approximately $105 million total for the mine. So they anticipate payback to be projected at less than 3 years after the start of production. So some great numbers coming out of Grade this morning. They're last at $1.50, high of $1.50, low of 40 cents, market cap of approximately $121 million. Moving on to our next company, Hathor Exploration. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol HAT. The company is announcing the first complete set of drill route assays from the recently completed 2010 drill program at the company's project, which is located in the Athabasca Basin in Saskatchewan. We've got composite interval of 63.5 meters grading 7.75% uranium. Within that, we've got more concentrated intercepts, 42 meters of 11% uranium, and within that we've got 17.5 meters of 24% uranium, so very high grades. The company also announced that the highest individual assay to date on the property has been 87% uranium, so that's incredibly high, folks. We've also got an interesting fact here. The Athabasca Basin is the only location in the world that hosts high-grade uranium deposits. I didn't know that. You probably didn't know that either, so now you do. Companies last at $2.19, high of $2.33, low of $1.35, market cap of approximately $234 million. Moving on to the halts, I've got one for you. Oro Silver Resources trades on the venture under the symbol OSR. They are halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure to join us again here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.